Danny collected $235 in a donation drive on Saturday. The number of $2, $5 and $10 notes were in the ratio 6:3:2. Danny collected another $68 on Sunday. As a result, the number of $2 notes was increased by 30% and the number of $5 notes was increased by 40%. The remaining notes were $10 notes. How many $10 notes were collected on Saturday? What was the percentage increase in the number of $10 notes collected from Saturday to Sunday? Now, to do this question for part A at least, we need to take note of the ratio given to us for $2, $5 and $10 notes. With this ratio and the total amount collected, we can use the grouping technique. So if there is another concept involved here, it will be the grouping technique. Okay, so in one group of notes, we will have 6 $2 notes, 3 $5 notes, and 2 $10 notes. 6 times of the $2 notes, 3 times of the $5 notes, and 2 times of the $10 notes. So in one group, the value of these notes, alright, what's the value of these notes? It will be equals to 6 times $2 plus 3 times $5 plus 2 times $10. Okay, so that will be 12 plus 15 plus 20. 12 plus 15 plus 20, which will be equals to 27 plus 20, that is actually $47. Okay, so bear in mind this is just for one group of notes. Okay, but on Saturday, you have collected $235. So there's definitely more than one group. So how many groups of notes do we have? Number of groups. This will be equals to 235 divided by $47. Alright, 235 divided by 47, that will be 5 groups altogether. And how many $10 notes were there on Saturday? Okay, so take note, in each group there's 2 of the $10 notes. There are 5 groups. So number of $10 notes, 5 times 2, that will be giving us an answer of 10 $10 notes that were collected on Saturday. Now for part B, what was the percentage increase in the number of $10 notes collected from Saturday to Sunday? Now, to do this question, right, what we need to do is to find out what is a new number of $2 notes and $5 notes. Okay, because I know that this person collected another $68, right, on Sunday. So the $68 is made up of $2 notes, $5 notes, and also $10 notes. Okay, now to do this, we will investigate what is the original number of $2 notes collected. Okay, we know that in one group on Saturday there's 6 of it, so we have 5 groups, right? So talk about Saturday first. Okay, on Saturday, $2 notes will be 6 times 5. 6 times 5, that will be 30 of it. And $5 notes, that will be 3 times 5, that will be 15. Okay, and we know from our part A answer, $10 notes will be 10 of them. Alright, now what happened is there was an increase For the $2 notes, increase by 30%. $5 notes increase by 40%. Okay? Which means we can find out on Sunday what is the number of $2 notes collected. Again, $2 notes increased by 30%. So 30% of the original number here, there will be 9 notes. $5 notes. $5 notes increased by 40%. 40 over 100 times 15. Over 100 times 15, there will be 6 $5 notes. So just from the $2 notes on Sunday and $5 notes on Sunday as well, how much is the increase in collection? $2 times 9 plus $5 times 6, $18 plus $30, $48. Now take note, on Sunday, the donation drive collected $68, right? Look at this. Sunday collected another $68. So there's a balance of how much? Okay, let's see. 68 minus 48, that will be $20. And this has to be not for the $5, not for $2, but for the $10 notes. Okay, so $10 notes on Sunday will be $20 divided by 10. There will be 2 of it. So you have an additional 2 that was collected on Sunday. So what is the percentage increase? You collected an additional 2. The increase is 2 divided by the original $10 notes is actually just 10. Okay, so it's 2 over 10 times 100%. Answer 20%.